Dieser Zug bringt Sie zu den Gates E. Danke, dass Sie über den Flughafen Zürich reisen. Wir wünschen Ihnen einen guten Flug. This train takes you to Gates E. Thank you for traveling via Zurich Airport. We wish you a pleasant flight. Cette navette vous conduit aux portes d'embarquement E. Nous vous remercions de votre visite et vous souhaitons un agréable vol.
I'm Heidi from Switzerland. Oh, it's so sad to have to leave. Enjoy this wonderful view just one more time. The Matterhorn. Isn't magical? Come again soon. There is so much more to see. For now, I wish you a pleasant flight. See you! Auf Wiedersehen!
Endstation. Bitte alle aussteigen. The train is arriving at the final station. Please disembark. La navette arrive en gare. Veuillez descendre. Goodbye. Au revoir. Auf Wiedersehen.
Einreisekarten bezüglich der Abklärung ihrer Gesundheit geladen hat. Dies natürlich im Zusammenhang mit der ganzen Thematik um den Coronavirus auf den Malediven ebenfalls. Wir müssen sicherstellen, dass Sie die richtigen Karten an Bord haben. Diese werden nun nachgeliefert, wird voraussichtlich mindestens 20 Minuten dauern. Das heißt, unser Zeitpunkt zum Zurückstoßen des Flugzeugs wird sich dementsprechend etwas nach hinten schieben. Wir haben günstigen Rückenwind, Sie werden deshalb nicht später auf den Malediven dann ankommen. Danke für Ihr Verständnis. Ladies and gentlemen, Captain, we just learned that ground staff unfortunately has loaded incorrect health declaration cards on the aircraft. Nowadays we have to make sure that we do have the correct forms, and therefore they have to be delivered separately, and according to the information of the ground staff it might take at least 20 minutes. So we have to wait until we get loaded the correct forms, and thereafter we will be able to push back the aircraft. We have quite favorable winds tonight, and our arrival time will not be delayed. Thank you for your understanding.
Und ich bin Ihre Chef der Kabine auf diesem Flug. Auch ich heiße Sie im Namen der Kabinenbesatzung sowie unserem Kapitän Andreas Frey ganz herzlich willkommen an Bord dieses Airbus A330 der Edelweiss heute Abend in Richtung Malediven. Ich entschuldige mich auch nochmals für die entstandene Verspätung, dies aufgrund der nicht korrekt gelieferten Einreise- und Health Declarations Karten. Wir werden diese dann gleich nach dem Start noch bei Ihnen verteilen, bei diesen Passagieren, welche nun eine Einreisekarte bekommen haben. Nun, die Flugzeit heute Abend 8 Stunden und 45 Minuten. Wir hoffen, Sie fühlen sich bereits wohl an Bord und wünschen einen sehr angenehmen Flug. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Monique Fuller and I'm your purser on this flight. I'd like to welcome you on board this Airbus A330 of Edelweiss bound to the Maldives tonight. I do apologize for the cost delay on ground due to the not correctly delivered health declaration cards which we have now received. We will be distributing them after takeoff to all the passengers who have only received one card by boarding. So our flight time tonight will be approximately 8 hours and 45 minutes. I hope you already feel comfortable on board and I wish you a very pleasant flight.
où je dors, moi aussi.
Meine Damen und Herren, bitte vergewissern Sie sich jetzt, dass Mobiltelefone und andere Geräte mit drahtloser Datenübermittlung entweder im Flugmodus oder vollständig ausgeschaltet sind. Größere Geräte wie Laptops müssen für den Start verstaut werden. Falls Ihr elektronisches Gerät beschädigt wird, respektive Hitze oder Rauch entwickelt, informieren Sie umgehend das Kabinenpersonal. Sollten Sie Ihr Gerät im Sitz verlieren, verstellen Sie diesen keinesfalls und kontaktieren Sie uns sofort. Weitere Informationen zum Gebrauch elektronischer Geräte an Bord finden Sie mit dem Lifestyle-Magazin in Ihrer Sitztasche. Beachten Sie, dass Ihr Handgepäck in der Gepäckablage oder unter dem Sitz vor Ihnen verstaut werden muss. Wir weisen Sie auch darauf hin, dass dies ein Nichtraucherflug ist. In wenigen Augenblicken zeigen wir Ihnen einen Film über die Sicherheitsvorschriften an Bord. Wir danken Ihnen für Ihre Aufmerksamkeit. Ladies and gentlemen, please make sure that mobile phones and other wireless transmitting devices are now either set to flight mode or completely switched off. Larger devices such as laptops must be stowed away safely for taxiing, takeoff and landing. Please inform the cabin crew immediately if your electronic device gets damaged, hot or produces smoke. If you should lose your electronic device in your seat, do not move the seat and contact the cabin crew immediately. For further regulations concerning the use of electronic devices on board, we ask you to consult the Edelweiss Travel magazine in your seat pocket. Hand luggage is to be stowed in the luggage compartment or under the seat in front of you. We'd also like to remind you that all our flights are non-smoking flights. In a few moments, we're going to show you a film about safety on board. Thank you for your attention.
May we have your attention, please, for the following presentation about safety on board. Your hand luggage must be placed in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. It is forbidden to place hand luggage in front of the bulkhead seats or the emergency exits. For safety reasons, please make sure that mobile phones and other wireless transmitting devices are either set to flight mode or completely switched off for takeoff and landing. Larger items such as laptops must be stowed away safely during taxiing, takeoff and landing. Smaller items such as tablets and mobile phones must be safely secured in the passenger's hand or stowed away. Please inform the cabin crew immediately if your electronic device gets damaged or produces heat or smoke. If you should lose your electronic device in your seat, do not move the seat and inform the cabin crew immediately. For further regulations concerning the use of electronic devices on board, we ask you to consult the in-flight magazine in your seat pocket. Please fasten your seatbelt now, as we are taking off. Because turbulence can occur unexpectedly, you are obliged to have your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. Whenever the fasten seatbelt sign is on, the use of the lavatories is not permitted. For takeoff and landing, make sure that the back of your seat is in a fully upright position, that your tables are folded away, and the window blinds are open. Secure infants with the infant's belt, which will be distributed by your flight attendant if needed. Please note that smoking is not permitted on board this aircraft. This includes all kinds of smoking devices as well as alternative and smoking simulating products. All lavatories are equipped with smoke detectors. If cabin pressure is lost, oxygen masks will be released automatically. Pull the mask towards your face and cover your nose and mouth. Then help children and other passengers. In case of impact on land or water, position yourself as shown on the screen. You may use either position. In case of an evacuation, follow the illuminated escape path markings and leave all your hand luggage behind. The emergency exits are identified by exit signs and are located as shown on the screen and the safety on board card. Your life jacket is located under your seat or below the armrest. Pull the life jacket over your head and attach the strap. Do not inflate your life jacket until you leave the aircraft. Pull the strap until the life jacket is properly adjusted. If the life jacket does not inflate or needs more air, blow through the rubber tube. In case of emergency on water, the evacuation slides will serve as rafts. The safety on board card shows the various procedures and the use and location of the safety equipment. Please study the card carefully prior to takeoff. Orders given by the crew and regulations have to be followed at all times. Thank you for your attention.
Für weitere Informationen wenden Sie sich bitte an Ihr Kabinenpersonal. Anweisungen der Besatzung und Vorschriften müssen jederzeit befolgt werden. Wir danken für Ihre Aufmerksamkeit. Pour de plus amples informations, veuillez vous adresser à votre personnel de cabine. Les consignes de l'équipage et les directives doivent être respectées en tout temps. Nous vous remercions de votre attention.
Per ulteriori informazioni, la preghiamo di contattare il personale di cabina. Gli ordini impartiti dal personale di bordo e il regolamento devono essere seguiti sempre. La ringraziamo per la sua attenzione.
Departure bombment.
geschaltet ist. Bitte öffnen Sie die Gepäckablagen vorsichtig, um das Herunterfallen von Handgepäck zu vermeiden. Kapitän Andreas Frey und seine Besatzung verabschieden sich hier von Ihnen. Wir hoffen, dass Ihnen der Flug mit uns gefallen hat und dass Sie Sie bald wieder an Bord begrüßen dürfen. Im Namen von Edelweiss 20 wünschen wir Ihnen jetzt ganz wunderschöne, erholsame Ferien auf den Malediven. Vielen Dank und auf Wiedersehen miteinander. Welcome to Bali, ladies and gentlemen. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the airplane has reached its final parking position and the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please take care in opening the overhead bins as objects may fall out. Captain Andreas Frey and his crew would like to say goodbye to you. We hope you have enjoyed this flight and look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. On behalf of your Edelweiss crew, we wish you a wonderful stay and relaxing vacation. Thank you very much for flying with us and goodbye.